Alright, YouTubers, going to start cooking a meal. I was going to tell you, this is just going to be a salad, but I'm going to do it in a bowl. Right. So that's the perfect tortilla thingy. I'll put it in a NuWave Mini, like I did with the test. Cook time, 10 minutes. There it goes. Alright, we're almost there. See? It's all done. Woohoo! I wish I had got the ginormous ones, but I can make a couple salads in that. This might take refilling. Now I'm gonna let these cool. Use this and put it in the microwave to cool. And then let the NuWave cool. And we'll make a salad later. And we're going to use this again for the other part of the meal. But that's it for now. Okay. Cheese and garlic croutons. Some more lettuce. Raspberry vinaigrette. This is good stuff. Little Colby Jack cheese. I could have just done this in a bowl, but when it's all said and done, I have a nice coating of that vinaigrette on this bowl, and I'll eat that too. There's a salad. Good stuff. Alright, we'll cook more in a bit. Alright, YouTubers. Gonna make some butterfly pork chops. They're mostly thawed, so the card tells me about 12 minutes aside. Nothing fancy. I'm cooking inside because it's nasty. It might start raining again. As you can tell, very little prep work. And this is just Famous Dave's rib rub. It's great on pork. Keeping helping. We'll hit it when we flip it. Alright. Foil's down on the bottom. Make cleanup easier. Plug it in. Cook time, 12 minutes. And away it goes. Okay. Flipping time. Boom. A bit more of the Famous Dave's. See how easy? And I'm not getting rained on. Away it goes. Alright. Pork chop. Quick and easy. Didn't get rained on. See? That's really good. Flyover time. Alright, after the salad, here's the pork chop. Flyover. Quick and easy, Famous Dave's. Have a great and wonderful day.